Come on, Dad. Open up the vault.
I lost.
You owe me money.
Okay. You got me covered.
The team won, Dad. By a landslide.
Okay, gangster. How much do I owe you?
I believe it's, 3.
Milking me dry again, huh?
Well, it's your fault, Dad. You keep on betting for the wrong team.
I never go for underdogs.
Well, Dad, this underdog is a winner. Come on, pay up. Come on. Come on.
300.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
That's 100? Haha. That's my bonus.
Oh.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3.
Give me back the 100.
Yes, Dad.
It's not bonus time yet. Oh, Mark. Keep tomorrow night open. We're invited by the Atiences for dinner. Well, the pressure comes at a particularly crucial period for the World Bank. Former Bank of America Chairman Tom Closen is just settling into his job as McNamara's successor.
Sí, ya tengo entendido. And I understand it's already begun to implement managerial reforms. He's planning to run the organization strictly like a commercial bank.
Right. And it was given a tentative green light at the Venice Economic Summit last year.
Oh, really?
Ay, business. Mamaya ng business. Baka hindi tayo matunawan yan. Speaking of Venice, do you know that Dave and I were in Europe last January? And Dave almost broke a leg trying to learn how to ski in St. Moritz.
Mahirap yata yun.
Karma. Hindi kasi ako sinama.
Pero iha, you still had classes.
Wait, hindi pa tapos ang istorya ko. At alam mo ba, Emilio, we had to cut short our stay in Rome.
Eto na naman yung storyang yan.
Sandali lang. Kasi while shopping with a friend of mine, si Marina Coletti, there was this young Italian na may bitbit na isang kamera at sunod ng sunod. Hindi ko naman pinansin dahil akala ko isang paparazzi dahil kontesa yung kasama namin. Yung pala, ako ang sinusundan. Bigla na lamang akong kinurot sa puwet. And Dave, who was right behind us, nakita. Tinitsarahan kaagad.
Di kasi, bastos eh.
Wala raw siyang pakialam kung pastime lang ng mga Italians yun. Bigla na lamang akong niyayang bumalik sa Pilipinas nito. Imagine, after all these years, nagsiselos pa.
Ayaw mo nun.
Amanda, if I were in Dave's shoes, I'd be jealous too. After all, you're still the object of every young man's fantasies.
Shall we have coffee in the garden?
Sure.
Mark, would you like to listen to some records? I will just have our dessert in the den.
That's a good idea. Mark, she just received some from New York today. You'll like them.
Really? Sure. Excuse us, please.
Emilio, natatandaan mo ba yung mga biruan natin nung maliliit pa sina Mark at Shirley? Kung uso pa ngayon ang pre-arranged marriages, hindi ba bagay na bagay silang dalawa?
Pero sa naobserbahan ko, there seems to be no need to match them.
Yes, I think so.
Tama yan. Wala eh.
Come on, let's dance. na. Wala nang music.
Ah. Whew. Init.
Ang galing mo pala sumayaw eh.
Oh?
Parang di susi.